Hello, hello, my people. Una good evening, una good morning, una good night. It depends on you on a day. Today, we get one of our brother for our house. We say we want to discuss issue which concern handwork for Edo State. So today, we go use Beni, we go use Pidgin, we go put them together. For those of you we say they look us for everywhere we say on a day. So now, my brothers, my sisters, we go invite them come our studio today, making come tell us so many things. I need to start in hard work. You constantly let us know everything. So before we say come our studio, we would like to give you a better music for Benin. We say we can enjoy ourselves this afternoon before we say we start the matter gidigba. For this ogbonge story, we say we want here today. Una do well
Arabade, yeah, Arabade is a song, a beautiful song.
So etere wa hia bavan wa ya bota wa ya bere ne kai edene na madwa wonti makba na miegwe iwino boda mi wono wina na ya do lavie ni edo tabi ma mi ne here here. So as we were talking before, my people, now both Benin and our language you be say everybody know for everywhere we be say we they call a pidgin too. Now we go take to this matter. So wayala go no wa da horu da we emi no kwere emi mami mami be we e de na na enwani bu awe igu na ka we na ro to the extent abe adebagi ma ya be ta igu na be ro we igbama ya nya wina era na mana we ma re ma do ti oti mana la fi na me lo do tabi ma wuda igu no bo na me ni wina de kere wa do wala wo wa ki ma ga Uvina ni imagina e no mais heri marema was my afi de giana. Let's start to the share. You know, we'll begin to share this matter because this matter now what we say very important for person to get this kind of handwork. Not be what we say easy. No wala wo waki maaga e. Na wala na me we mateti e na me we nedo mi agbadia. We can imagine no wala wo. Otimara ni ya eni o ogbedo Abraham. I had a humming ma a no see an army where a nini na one nini every yawu and yammy ni wabu na yam well laving able to tell ma no wala wo no wali mata see if I know my a bear equator tavern another what do have the Netanya on the Matia Oberland magazine TV care not ba and one of my swan lady ma movie na no wahia no waswan lady ma ma be re kwecho tag YouTube ma wa bi na wa gun ya fefefe ni give ru tag mo na ya wani wa have gbe wa we kwali ma be kian o wa be gbe ni ma ye wa mi wa ni Upperland magazine dada we won kan we Facebook wa be mi ma wa we gbon yo we Upperland magazine ma be wa do wa so ale di ma ko wa na me we o won ta no no ne ma mamudia ma wa we ka bo da ho de ma ya da ni he o tare no wa hawe no do wa na we ni pataki na me we wa we ho ma we kwa kan wa we gu ki ba mu fi ma na Upperland magazine wa we la page ma wa mi no ba wa ni wa ti be ale ma wa and then na ni o ti ma na ni ma kwa kan ni ma do ha ma ni ka ki we do ha mi ma e bi na si na me we a wi no bo na ni wa wu na we de na enyi gusu ga wu na ekiri we mado bere nya we edunia agboya ta we mata esi we ibunaro ibi ni ewe mi o he de gbibu na ni ewu na ye ja yi we ade oba we ma ya be set review e di wa e ma do awun na me we abi gba ma ni be bun ya do are ni ya be wo we do bi mata na ni o ti ma na ni ma ti e na me we di ye la vien ni e de ba ma ni ya be e mi wa gwa mi ni ma gwa na ye de ke ma ye na ni ma ti e na ni e la vien o ke ma na Mr. Ogbede. Hello, Mr. Ogbede. Hello. Ukwe ni mata udoni. Hello, ni mata. Ojebe ekeni ke davi himo ni mata. Hello, ni mata. Hello?
Is the NEPA?
When matter?
The library.
O makerio. We matter si atemi we yen gbegbe ni a ma we gbebe we ni ma we de ga kire ne na me we ni ma ka bo we so yen gbe won na me we ma ka we ta wo si obi aru fun eva ma we gbebe we gbe ade na me we emi ni ya idan ho kini ye wodoni oje be na me we emi kere be sunu dai ni ma de ga ne kere wa ya we si wa ya bi agba ya wa ya ka pota be o ta ni ma do ta be edene na wa ya we se o
ra ni polo eyi yere ni dalo
Oye we ni ere na ya. Ma do tie na ni do mi agbadia. Hello, when mata ni ha.
Hello?
When the mata. When mata. O ma we be ade kere o. Ma be ade. When mata ni ha.
Ipa
When
Domo.
mata.
Eh, Domo sir.
Okay.
Obota.
Ọba ọbẹ̀bẹ̀ nẹ̀gẹ̀ káyé. Wọ́n bàtà.
Domo sir, Bota. Bota sir.
Na makẹ́sọ̀ ha ní yẹn màkà ní ọ̀tá wẹ̀dẹ̀ náà náà. Máa hó lùtà ma ẹni wẹ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ mi ní wẹ̀wù. Ìwé ló bọ̀ wẹ̀ lùtà ní wẹ̀dẹ̀ náà náà.
Okay. Any family me. Obota agbonya o. Osalobo ade ba na o mere ya ri ma we na. Afi agbegu wa ya ro. Anyway, Abraham, any family me na ga ogbede. Imu no bo ni we na obije me e na wo e. Iye kere bi wo e.
Uwese. Agbonya ni remo na ni jami himani ya. We no yera ni makata esi. Ebo na me no yekwere na ke PG. Kake be do ni ma zena. Ma he ya no ta ya fefe ni ma ka ndo betere na. Ado mi ewe ewani.
Okay sir.
Ihe a bịa ahịa ndị ma wee sa echasa yo. Ọ sie na agbo na ka ka bụ ehe. E no sie na ka bode, na ka boye pàtàkì. E ma kanta ra ni ma mi ya be kina e da me ho.
Okay, Domo sir.
We. E wono bo na do na da. What you kere bu so on.
Yeah.
What you do we ama iwuna na de mi we era we yewe o yewe no kwa ma me iwuna na ya wa dan yi kakafo what you do ta we to adi wona na yi.
Okay sir. Umi nwuna na ni je me mama 94 ga no do you know what be 93. You understand? The iwuna na okpe no ke aro me man. So my ga pije me ma ya kinere ina do ga we iwuna ni go je no. That is when we are bun rigo no roya iladia. Then we get travel in our we call way. You got travel, you go na ijimo bo imuna na teti establish no. So we can do here no kwa because when you na kero me mad e mo pa ye me my sis je me bia ni ra me. You understand? Because my awoi, but neni munana ina do go no raw and a big investment to doni. But when people understand this business now, in a way, you born our company no, it don't care you no kwa the you do ta wana we big neni muna. You mean no here pin come out by oh wow. But when I carry me the way Osapana is you born me have to be established on my own.
Where's the kakabo? So my people, for those people we say, you know, they hear Bini. So if they tell us now, say, now when the be say is small, now you start this work. And in mama, in grandmama, now I teach them this work.
No, my mama.
As it be so, we even want to like the work. In this process is 93. So you put this work for mine. Agboya hanya, agboya do honey, where imunana we can't go away. No. That actually coming ma we boom na me where ni na no we your body where set you.
Come again. The network will break. When you come again.
Okay. If we na we na there. My where we boom where we were na it die if na we don't set away bodani o ta we bodani. We are setting when I will tell we bo.
Imam. Okay.
But the man no na hina. Even na we na na ya una go ga we we say we bo. Udo ya mu na be we bo. Ota the man no na ya we. Ota the man na na we. Even na na we kai na we die na we ya we na me we no bo we na. Eh muna we gwa na we bo na.
O imawe na do ya nwina iga be mati we ogwa e kan ya establish eji iya wo ogwa agbeju
Uda ima hon we rato ni se wa ni o si e ma na gbe no ta ni se. So we no yira na ma
o
do. O ni ma ta de ni ha.
Ho e wa ho
We no yira na ma do pe re we o ta do ni machine ni ya. Igbama iya bu na me we ogwale we na. We have a guy where we na where you work na over your bono ni ya bedo wa.
Emunana ikere atabo because a secret rugwe em ya kan set tabe mana imunana oyebe na imunana ni atie imune mikos when ni atie mikos e sweet na ni ala lo ni amure bi badon imu ya we bun emi ya ladian anigo no ni imunana o pe no kwa imunana even say when imunana give like say early 2000 in by 2002 early 2005 here na deport me ade Nigeria o ma gbe 1 month me de gbe so vie na ije me na won we ona ku we dey na wo je me tete do ano we go won ge vie na igo ro ma bi je mo pa the secret of a business but the many kenyan mo bo ma o yo but here wa wo yi but igo me understand a business in you can employ more than 2000 people in a state. Me no wan oti me wana we ya ati we bori ya can be African country. In we na can employ more than 2000 people. The winner. All those states ni.
What's the kakabo? Ya we ati we tabi ma de gbedu we kere. Won mata. De gbe na me o vient ouais je vais na me ouais o vient ouais ni je vais o he ni mata se o ni mata le ni ha o ni mata
Clear o we de gbe ni
de gbe du kere
egbo ba kere egbe na to la ogun
e ma o ni uda e ma ni bu ni e do awe o ko na ni magugu na ti ma na ni magugu na ogbe de degbe no mo bokere oyima no tani na me no be yina ni a bia e ti we ha mi ma
egbo ba kere egbe no to la mogun
no se na na mi we mi vie na no gwedu ase na o ye mi vie ki vie na no gwedu ado na i vie de na yau
ayi vie we ja i vie lele mi ni bukia without i vie our marriage without i vie akrame any chief at all. So if you many things in even when waiting me matter the what the ya me vie kin ke okay ya like vie even we school if measure wana be me we ni bungin school ya no me we ya na me we okpeni akan me vie na be history ina we motobo we
okay oye we u vient we ayo be ogo kekere
me wa mu we
ufie we igbo dekekere abi fira di magwa kana senior ame we jadu amu na na nia di yobo we ya yigo o ya seti di ni ya bedo ali apoda do ti wanya we na re ma de he no sunu na nya we o be gudo bo wo de pataki na me we fe ko ya igba ehia awe lo ni awe iwuna na o be yobo no kwalo ka boje are pada do ti wanya we iwuna na we na we ha seti ya we obore hera me we igba mani buna me we na ya do ame na we de na
anything no be the way I be explaining my way di na mogbe na afa na beji no so na make na me we iwuna na amola tedo so the more you say the more kita we iwuna redo over 5,000 people no tia te iwuna be company na iwuni vie na rigo yare
Oma
and we no ko vie na
oma we se kakabo we be China nia oma we ai ti we kame mani we e vie na nia de ga we uta uswo e go we aswo nga or 1993 we ga ba
1993 eye manado sun with 1994
okay 1994 ni e wa ke ya na
Make ya IPG men. 1995, me na do so wo go be men.
If you now have a year school you are.
I just school yo. Our mama our total me be na ya we. When measure one week me ya.
What's the kakabo? My heart of my don't know where where are you where Arioba? No red Giovanni, where are you Arioba? The you but where you get Arioba cannot win the Ali Bamania concerning with our border and Makana.
When every government in me mom understand and when anything no really have me home. But in me assure you way in winana all employment boom being winner in winning Vienna na una. The book got so okay no ring winana me ma believe where any business you don't need no pay yes me Vienna. When me ya we me go no re me Vienna. And where I vie we me oja and the go be ya lele here. The me ya so we bo man na yen go ni ekun abo.
Oma di bude no can na we bo awari oba enia. No ka ari oba ke di gbama na ka tewe igbama do ro ni di bude o ke we bo abe igbama you talking man that verse working with you
and fine then the ask me Vienna yet it to my way thousands of people no 80 men that emano when here Vienna open say emano agreement vie e so work be ni ake oni Vienna but here ma make na boy
that verse working with you and concerning we no border.
That's in Medina, when ya wo when so ronya na mission me here only at the Bajia where anything that you vision really also posing a copy or so akwe or a future another thing near very it's a to see but we work bobo yeah una you say that's an uri no rap mona umana we say me have take care after the youth man when you are here anything no to kigo ne you manage life do said na I do ya webo you can be like na mo ya do whenever the struggle again e ya de man na
Oma what's the kakabo what do you tani oga igbama lo do we turn in area the advice no we haka ko we ni awari obalima where would have retire by where maybe I retire here having it me I will bo that verse working where you told you no kenya ya me my will bo
epa ema pani we na ata say etia mi you understand many people no many things only a showcase la da will tell doni adiaba support
ego ha suru na ya ewani bu ibere wala na ewani bu yadu agbe ju rewe ni masu azebo oje bi ha ni matase ma bu na mewe ni matase ni masu azebo ni ya
okay
ni masu azebo ne kere na gbo ya ke aho wo ti bi are
na gbele broki kere
so now mo start time now for this matter because people the right come say they know they hear what you would they talk. They know they be like say Benin people will be say they inside when they hear the Benin language, they explore for inside. And your people will be saying before you fight this beat, people where they be say no, they want to hear this language, I may pass for them. So now the question is say, you tell us say, see when you just start this business, you said that since 94 you start out. So the question now be say, since that 94 when you start out, wait till you don't use this beat to do. When you talk again for this sports more English what they speak so.
Waiting I use the money to do.
What with money? This hard work, yeah, don't carry you go.
It don't carry up from Nigeria. And I'm a mother said no, United take care of us, take care of abroad, many things.
But if I see your network not too good, well. So now the next question I'll be saying, which advice? Advice you go fit give our youth. What do you want me to say there for Nigeria? Don't always be say they are abroad. Which advice you go fit give them concerning this matter of this hard work. What we say you they do so.
The only the advice what I need to give them, like this advice of this work now, the hard work now is in my hand. Only advice what I need to give them, say anything what their parents they do, they need to focus on. If they're very interested about this my work, they need to go talk to government. If anybody get any question, what we say want to ask, how they want to establish and they want to learn the work, so they go still let me know. If I'm still talk to my mother, and my mother still in Nigeria, it's still there alive, he never died. We will discuss them together. So maybe they'll figure opportunity where they will take learner. Because money did the work.
Now, what we never talk about the money inside now. This bid matter because you don't understand say when they use bid, they do anything bad. Why you talk that word?
Yeah, I hear where you are, when I hear it do.
Why you talk that word?
Eh?
Why you talk that word?
The bomb me come meet the word say I hear Yahweh Muja.
But you don't ask question why? Because you now inside that bid you did so.
Even though say I don't ask question, we don't say bid and lock. If one view or effort will we're good thing not the finish for your house. Bid they bring light come house. Without bid, they're not the cram anybody. Without bid, not do marriage. Without bid, anything bid must follow. It's a traditional something where we say the whole world know about.
Okay, you do well. You do well. My people now here also, he say bid. Why say he get interest who will put this part say the work they give our money to bet. He say bid now what he be say everybody would like to put for body. If I see me here to actually put the bid for my neko, it's a bid. Now what he be say they bring happiness for everybody. So the next question I be say, what do you think about that our Edo there? What do you think say hard work or what will they do so another one should be other people they do? What do you think say this hard work matter of we do for Edo State?
Okay. It's like this video I do, so not believe this video I learn. My handwork now, people the way they spray motor, sprayer, now be the work when I learn. So I dey learn work when I see they learn this one from my mother. So what I need to give the youth. Any that the good mirror, even though say our youth they go school, they need to learn work. In case before they finish school, they not go suffer. Because what they affect us for Nigeria, people they go school, they're not they think about how to go there, join them. After they finish school, they'll become Okada. Like me now, I dey go school, I dey learn work. I dey go school, I dey learn this bid. So even when I don't finish school for Nigeria, now I can use my work, take the work, take the support my mother. So when I try to tell the youth, they need to if they go school, they try to find something where they could do before they finish school. Because nothing like handwork. We don't say school good though, but nothing like handwork. Because when I learn, now I take work for almost 8 years for Libya.
Okay, you do well. Now, the get question where somebody throw come for you, now basically you answer. He say, okay, so we'll ask you this question now. He say, the government should try and support the youth. So what do you think for that one?
God to support the youth. The state government will carry money, call you, say, make una come. So they want share money. Money where government go share, it will finish.
So which advice now? How you sure say the government will support the youth?
When government say any youth get any talent, when we say you go say that talent now, go support the youth. You need to call that youth, make say they establish that thing whether you they do. So make sure say they employ more workers to give this people say it's just that they do this biz. So maybe government can look and say this guy na Edo boy na Nigeria guy. Okay, they invite me, so okay, this work I want to do. So I explain to them, so okay, see, say I want to do. And this work will employ about 3,000 people or 5,000 people. From there, it just support the youth now.
Okay. But like say your side, like say the network not too good. Well, so now what people are going to say, if like say we go take a small break, more come back again. Maybe maybe your side will be there for them everywhere clear. But like say not the too much, the people don't too much they hear you well and your video, if like say block for one place. So more will take a small break, more come back again. You hear us?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, because if your video there for one place, and like I said, nobody don't they see you like that well. So then I will take break more, come back again.
Okay.
Hello, my people. So those of us who say in the local things, now with the wait time when he come back because the like say network got to go from inside. So for here now, we don't see him say, he don't tell us so many things we say concern hard work matter we say if they do. And we say and say this person we they talk about so we see the serious things and different things we say, he don't use this hard work they do. And most of us we say they follow and also for in Facebook, we they say and say this hard work now what we say in reality important. So today now as we call and come our studio, despite say we don't say many of you now will be say they watch us for one and day there. Now if you don't they hear the language go first after they speak, which should be Benin language. But because it's here, I'm saying since it be like that, it could make true, make everybody hear what we say in what really tell us. So now I make them now we say will say okay, as it be, we go change the matter. So my people, as it be, so we don't see now say the importance will be say really day make our government make they put hand, make they support the youth as some questions will be say they come for us. Make they really support the youth, maybe say today the youth themselves don't see get waiting if be say that they do. So now he don't come back again now, come studio. Now you hear us now.
Yeah, they hear you, sir.
Now if like say don't clear. So now as you talk about before, you know say before we start with the language, we say many people don't fit here. So now as the whole matter be now, you don't talk and say the government probably say the youth will put her for inside pocket, say government can't help us. So you come to an and say it good make the youth themselves get what they do before the government will come do help for them. Good. So now the question now be say which way you now personally think say the youth themselves where you want me to put their leg, put their hand, tell let this work. How you want me to take one? If you give your own experience.
If government feel support now to no say this work when they do so it's not easy. Now only when government feel support me, we establish it go employ many youth for work. And not be for only government. If the traditional home can still support this work when they do so, go see help the youth.
Good. Now because you see as I say this your work, you don't really because before you tap chest, you know say this work now what it be say it really day important. Now you dey hear the news every day, most especially for those states there. Say the youth they complain say youth don't get work, you don't do this one. Now to say work not there for those states.
Before I come on, no work. Oh. Now only when people learn personal work, people they even when I learn work that time at Joma, they always go. People from those states they suffer well. Everybody know that one.
Okay, so you do well. So now you can't take now and say, well, this your work now. Now another work government will still create for people.
Every work, government, the other work where government they say that they employ people they come. This one can employ thousands of people for work because the business they move.
Okay, but if you tell us more story about this work, IB.
You know, say I don't know if you explain the things when I they use. Now they just I they throw.
not what they use. The question be say, now you don't get experience for this work. And now you come to say, government, if they employ people for this work, it will really help people for those states. Because now they say and say different people that they say they employ this one come from Oyibo, come do something for our country there, people this one, people the other one. So the question now they say, with the experience we say you don't get. Now they ask now, the experience you don't get. What do you think now say you feel do when government really believe say this thing where you say they talk about concerning work, say this thing if you create work for people, how you fit do one? Now be the question.
Okay, let me explain one thing. You get one thing doing on one show. You see this bid where they with me so when I show so this bid now London bid. So now somebody where they help me they bring goods come so he can't say he need ring. So this bid now London bid and this London bid people they from Nigeria they come out they go London go they buy bid they come when they sell for Nigeria and London bid they heavy. And we get our own personal bid where we use and what they do with the Edo people. You understand? And people see they go, not be only London they go, see get one man who call me and I stay the same house with the wife. So when you see with this one they do, say you get one country when they go they buy bid, they go Nigeria, they sell, now be business. And one woman see coming for one country, many countries like that, he say he go come this December. So he say they buy bid, they go Africa country, they go they sell. So, but when they come, they see me say, I they do this work, say, Edo people, they do this thing. So many of them come, they contact me, say, they're not into they go all those countries again, go they buy. And this bid, and now we mostly, we the Edos, now we know the value of bid. So we know if we get something, maybe they go another country, go they buy something, and we will get them for our center. So they need to promote this work, and this work will help many people. People, maybe they go outside country, go they buy bid, they'll come, they buy for their country.
You do well. This one, let me say you talk. So
when I start this work now, I know people will say, don't call me.
This one, it should say, this Edo people matter. If they pay you for mind for the youth, will be saying,
everyone.
They don't get work. So now, you they use this one, they give evidence now, and proof, say, not be say work there for Edo State. But with this one, should be say they do so, and people be say they call you now. Now, evidence say, government, they go fit put body for this work when we say you they talk. So what we say you don't come?
Yeah. Yes.
So now the question when we say we will ask now, we say, as we talked about before, we don't really see I'm saying true. A lot of people they not understand the issue of this hard work we say you they do today. And we don't see so many people we say you don't do. We don't still see here from different places as this work we say they do so. I don't completely help people, assist people, and with this talent we say you get so. This one are really big talent. So which kind of help you make government do for you regarding this matter with the talk so?
Only waiting I want to make government do. Now if government they fit contact me, we will know how to say establish this bid level where we say the youth, all of them go get work.
So now the question now be say, may the government them, may they contact you. Yeah. Another thing is say, you don't sure say, because we don't see they display all this work we say they do for people, may they really see say, yes, this one the work we say you shall be do. And as it can't be so, you want me the government may they contact you say, yes, we want make I be you show them say true, this work you they read the do. So for that one we say it also you do well. So now for those people we say in never begin to hear us before. I would like me you repeat that word again. Say the time where we say as you talk before, say your grandmama na tissue.
No, my mama, my biological mother na teach me.
Okay, why you get interest for this work? Why you get interest as your mother teach you? Why you get interest? Put?
Why I get interest now because of the financial way say they come out. I know say it go help a lot of people because this work now my mother do wait they teach us. That is a now they train us. Now they send us go abroad because the thing they surprise me. Now my mother sponsor us come abroad with this big money. All of us.
Okay, because people be not to understand that one well. You understand now? So now we say this work, the interest will be say you get, and because of you say you see the money. When we say the pastor come and not be so.
Yeah.
So for this one, when we say with the talk, so you really do well for that. When we say you explain where we give us say, not be say you just carry the one. what the interest we say, you can't see what they really they pass and they come out, not be mouth. Now make you can't really get the interest.
No business pass am. No business pass this thing when I do so. The secret they with me and my mother.
Okay, okay. Now. So you mean now you say once people come now and say they want to learn this work, you go teach them the secrets.
Huh?
I said once people come now and say they want to learn this work, you can't teach them the secret that time.
You see this work, now only when government involve, now the secret go come out. And people will want to work for this work, just like as abroad be so. You know, say if any company will they here, if they work there, you don't fit go outside, go open your own company. Everybody will want to work for that place, must sign paper. As you they work there, you don't retire, or they pay your pension money, and not be work where we say they don't sign, say another person go fit open the company again. No. You go just be work where people they come, they work, they come up. People they work, they come, they passion.
Like this bit now.
You know, say you sabi do am.
Now, like this bit that we do now, for those ones we say they do for here now, then now just they get a particular price when they say they sell them up, you just they do and say, okay, give me a one line, or you can get fixed price when they sell them. You get different
no, you get fixed price when I say they sell them.
Yeah,
so, I get different type. All get different price when I say they sell them.
So those people they do so they get name, like for instance now you get the kind of design you go design. All those design get different name. In the house.
I hear you your side
okay.
Also.
Okay. In the house now, maybe on your network that side because when they hear you well for this side.
No, my network they okay. Your own sees.
Okay, but when they hear you for this side now.
Okay, they hear you. Okay, the name of the bid now you dey talk. A different type of bid that they do. If you say make I tell you the name of.
I said the design. Maybe you design bid now. If you design bid, all of them get different.
Okay, one day. One type day, that one na pack, now we they call and that is the long one. Then another type see day where they call Ikpekwe. Ikpekwe na be like the ball, the round one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Now, as it can't be like this now, so you mean say for like those we get different traditional people, we say they use all this bid. And nobody was not enough now for this whole world over there. So all of them need bid. So and all this bid. In a get different ceremony, whether they use and put a bid.
Different type of ceremony. Baby bed, no say something that before, not be nowadays where people come there abroad. Well, if you born Peking, your Peking complete 3 months. You must tie your baby knacking, small knacking, with bead for neck, with hand. You say a photo, but you want to able to today. I think the picture of our parlor. You want to do marriage, now bead. You want to do remembrance, now bead. You want to do burial, now bead. Anything you want to do now, you want crime person now beat, and not before little crime people. And people see they like her. Say if you don't say they sahas, you go they hand, they neck. Then they see tiny one where they put for neck like necklace. You know, comparison only chain that they put for neck.
Okay. Now the question I be say, apart from what you be say, they ask you sis now, you get what you go talk on your own concerning this big matter.
What thing I supposed to talk? You don't already ask me all the questions since.
Okay, you do well.
It's like you don't already know the question where you want to ask me. Maybe I think you want to arrange all of them down.
Okay. Now the question that be this one be say, like you talk about different ceremony where people they use this bid till they do. So you they use opportunity to tell us now say this ceremony where people they use bid till they do. So like for instance, now somebody where we say they do marriage, if the kind bid where they put for body. That's what we say. Maybe one more do another ceremony. The bid where you go put for body, it goes different. In the house.
No, now one type of bid now that they see now. Except nowadays now the bid where they see now not be the bid where we they use for Benin land. You know, say the bid where they see now those bid where Igbo people they do, where London people they do. Not be bid whether they see that time where those people they use their hand they do.
Okay. You do well. So now for all this matter we say we they talk now, if you tell us right now where you did.
Hello.
In the house. Hello, the house now.
Huh? Yeah.
I said, no, when you there now, you tell people, make people hear that and say, you not there for the center of Europe. In the house?
Yes.
I said, if you tell us where you there?
I there for Germany.
Okay. Because some people will be surprised and say, our person will be saying there for Europe, will they do bid? So they surprise many people. Now make me ask that question.
Yeah, because they surprise people.
Yes, they surprise people say, person there for Europe, if they do bid like this, not be saying Africa a day. So they surprise a lot of people, and I make people they call you like that. So the question now
and I will get contact for Nigeria. People say make I supply the bid. So I tell them say, I never be supply people who they Euro finish. Only me one. I want confident the supply on a bid. So make them hold on first.
Okay. So now we don't say and say the matter that they say the government. The get part where they go play well for this matter, and the
government even traditional home they still get part.
Okay, which part you just say traditional home go play for this matter now?
Yeah, no, even though if government not support because now they would mostly they in charge of this traditional bid. Even though say government support, then their second support.
Okay. So now it shows say you they fight now. They say the youth there. Will not get work. Say work go come if government supports this industry. We say you they try to establish now. What be say you talk about?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Good. So you do well. You do well. So my people, when I hear which will be say Mr. Obede Abraham, what he be say he don't tell us is we don't get so many experience from her for what he be say concern this big matter. And he don't assure us say the youth will be say they talk say they not get work through this one. He go fit assist in the government support am make it really give many youth will be say they will still they use this one till they chop if they break. So go fit still help them, assist them when they get work. What be say you talk out for us?
Now I talk, sir.
You do well, you do well. So now, what do you get now to tell Urban Land Magazine for what you say they do so?
Yeah.
What do you get to tell Urban Land Magazine TV for what they do so?
I appreciate you now well. Even the first day when we say you call me, you send me a link, I can't go watch am. So I was very, very happy. So now God will bless you now. The man when I get when I tell open this now page to tell help people. Now God will bless you now. Sickness will never know now. The help on the find God will locate you now help to now. So this idea when I bring come out to bring all Benin together. On our get that power, on our get that strength, when I'll take that house. May God bless you now in Jesus' name.
You do well, you do well, you do well, you do well for this matter you talk. So now what do you still get to tell people we say if they support you and when we say they help you, they follow you, they buy this bid?
Yeah.
What do you get now to tell people we say they support you and where they follow you, they buy this bid when we say they do? What do you get to tell them?
Okay, fine. Even every day now they pray for them. And people when they follow me, they buy bid. And waiting that many of them can't understand. Many of them they don't already get bid before. But if they follow me buy bid, or can't tell me say my bid they're different from the one that they buy before.
So what do you got to tell them now for all this matter? What is it they support you?
Now prayer now I get for them. So may God they bless them. The pocket where they get the money, where they follow me, they buy bid. Now God go they refill them for them. Some of them go follow me buy bid the first time. So they'll still call me again, they'll buy again. Some go buy reach 3 times for my hand. So at the time they follow me, they buy bid. Now God go bless them. You know, say if they sell something, you they see people the way they follow you, they buy something. You need to they pray for them. So make God see they butter their bread and make the people see they see them for their neck. Make they see they bring more customer to you.
You do well, you do well, you do well. So my people, this one is Urban Land Magazine TV. For here now we did not the Ogbonge story where we say concern our people for the whole world. For those of you now we say begin to follow Urban Land Magazine, make una start to follow us now. For those of you now we say again matter we say concern the market or the business where we say they do. Where we say one make we carry come and we tell people say see as it be as they do and so now so they do for here. we want maybe say every of our brother and sisters maybe say they don't know each other, but they know each other for the business maybe say that they do. So Mr. Ogbede Abraham, so we thank you. We say you take the call on Oberland TV this evening. Come listen to us and you can tell us so many things. We say we're supposed to know about this hard work. We say you they do so. We say you welcome once more to Oberland TV. You hear us?
Yeah, they hear you, sir.
Okay, you do well, you do well. So now, before we go carry this matter for grant, we don't know whether you get any other thing when we say you go talk before we close this our interview with you online.
Only one thing when I want just talk to the Edo people. Hello?
Will they hear you? Will they hear you?
Only one thing when I need to talk to the Edo people. All of us were the Edo people with the lack of one thing. We not get unite for this Europe where we did so. And that thing they really affect us. And if we see one Edo person, they do something, nobody go want support. Now to take bring that person down. Now only one thing will go help the Edo people. Not say I'm about I want when imagine Edo people do by here way umag do. You can't be like say that thing. They read the work, they follow them. And one thing they worry the those when we say that they already jealous themselves. Anything where they happen to them, they know they like to come together. Even if anybody one person made mistake, from there to come together and make they resolve that thing, they will put fire. And that thing, you know, go make us we come together and then they affect us, they go to today. Even this work when they do so, many people know they share and another tribe people say that this side those states, now they share my work. And I don't know why we know they get one mind. And meanwhile, use this opportunity, they beg una, this una program, make una take bring the whole those together with a lack of unity.
You do well, you do well. So my people, as we talked about before, this one at Oberland TV. So if we don't hear what we say, talk now. So as it be, so I beg those of you now will be say it never be they share it work, but they share it work. I mean, they patronize them too because we support each other. Now what we say they important. Now be that one. And for those of you now, so we talking about before we be say, you know, they follow us. We talk about again. We begin they follow us now for Oberland magazine, for our YouTube station, for our Twitter, for Instagram, and also for our Facebook too. Looking at the followers. For any of them, we say get message or get what people say they want. Now want tell us. When I just send message to Oberland magazine for our inbox there, we go answer on that. So we say una do well. When I say put una mic down, listen to us for this program. Where we say we get with Mr. Ogbede Abraham. Where we say he can tell us everything. We say concern now because for the work we say in they do so. So my people, we say una do well. We say una really put eye for ground for us for this program.